Today on Gribble's Garage, we're going to take this motor and put this fancy oil pan so it'll fit in there finally.
Ooh, fancy. Video's being interrupted because I gotta go be Captain Save-A-Ho and go help my coworker fix his flat tire. So, we're gonna add that to the video because why not? So first we're gonna come over here and we're gonna pick a jack that's not broken. I think this one's good. So I got sockets, jack, impact, not mine, sockets, not mine. Let's go. So I get here, right, and I'm like, oh, which lug gun is it? And I found the right socket, and I'm like, what's going on here, dude? I don't know, man. What do you expect? This should be easy. I'll just do it with my hand. Like, is that correct, your grips? Yeah, let me look.
Junior answered my call.
Right.
Thank God, man. That's good right there. That shit's not going that high.
Oh, no good. I brought the tools, but I make him do the work. Worst AAA ever.
No, he loosened them already.
With my hand.
I swear to God, it wasn't like that when I got in it.
And this is how you change a tire. Well, isn't that wonderful? It's dark now. I guess I'm gonna have to drag it inside. I was looking and I'm living life on the edge, I guess. The seatbelts are ripping right in the middle. So I'm going to get myself resituated. I'm going to push this thing outside. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, there's a block.
This over. I already drained the oil out of it, but I'm sure I'm gonna do a mess.
I'm scared. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, upside down. Let's zap this thing off here. Let's see what's underneath. Yeah, she's had a life. So here we have the new pickup tube. As you can see, it's going to be definitely 3 inches shorter than the stock one.
Reading the directions. The part nobody wants to do. Not even me. Important application notes. Are not intended to be used with engines that originally utilize a dry sump system. I'm not that fancy. I need a dry sump. Designed to work with an LS3 dipstick and tube if desired. So this actually uses 5.5 quarts instead of 6. But I figured if I use an oil cooler, they'll get me more oil. So whatever. Parts needed. Oil pan gasket. Check. High quality RTV. Check. Oil. Not there. Oil filter. Still not there. Drain the engine oil. Check. Remove the starter. I took the motor out of the car. Remove oil pan gasket. Already done. Remove the oil pump pickup screen retaining bolts and nut. Remove the oil pump pickup screen and O-ring nut. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Good job, dude. Alright, there we go. Now we're going somewhere. Alright. Said to remove the O-ring from there and discard it. Or sell it on Craigslist.
Alright, got all that off. Now we're gonna test fit this to make sure it's the right one. I would cry if it wasn't. Test fitting the oil pan. Oh, it's so nice and new. Polishing the turd. Look at this motor. So nice. And this makes the rest of the motor look like crap. Oh, except for my fancy motor mounts. Those are good. Alright, we're done. Throw it in the truck. It was that easy. Everybody do it.
Alright, let's take a minute here to compare the old to the new. I'd say about 3 inches. And then it's also different this way. I'll go that 14 and a half. And this one is 13 and a half. So I only needed it different right here because this part right here is hitting on the truck. I'll go show you that right now.
It was hitting on this bar and also this bar because the truck is, I guess you can say it's like center mounted kinda bro nasty fantastic. Yeah, so all this work for the 2 bars, I guess I could have cut them out and saved some money. But, you know, whatever. Too late now. This is more fun anyways. I'm learning. I'm learning not to buy a pre-runner truck. Don't buy one. Don't do it. No, no, no. Lube up your pickup tube with oil, with the O-ring. It says you use no oil, but I ain't got it, so I'm using all the oil. Oil is oil. And then it says we have to make slight modifications to that. So we're gonna figure out what that means. Banging out. Yeah. Cut it up. Dude, it hits right there. Alright, so we gotta modify it. No biggie. I made my own modifications to the Holley pickup tube, so I don't have to do anything else. Like, now it says pre-assemble everything on the oil pan. It came with a new drain plug, with no magnet on it. I don't know if I like that very much. I hope my old one fits, because I don't like that it doesn't have a magnet on it. No magnet. Well, that's dumb.
I want to see if my motor's about to blow up. If it even gets running. You know. And I'm just putting this on for right now. Definitely gotta put a oil cooler on this. All the prices are the same.
Please be the same. Woo. Oh. Yeah, it's the same. Cool. I'm glad those are the same. Gotta have it. Drain plug with a magnet on it. Come on, people. Get your shit together. This thing was expensive. You get a jippy on a drain plug? Come on. This guy, I guess this is kind of idiot proof. He goes like that.
These bad boys are like this. I hope I put that in right. I don't think you can put it wrong. I'm sure there's something that's supposed to torque these two. I'm going to snug but not too snug.
I need bigger tools. Bigger tools.
Alright, it's together, and I got my new gasket, and I made sure it's the right one. And now we're going to throw it on here. I already put the RTV on the spots where you need to put it. If you get this to work. Ooh, fancy. Looks about right. Oh, and I just put my paw print right on the thing. Woo! Alright. See what it's supposed to be torqued to. And we'll start putting stuff back together.
All right, and then I went around and torqued all the bolts, and it's on. Fancy new oil pan. Now for the fun part. Cleaning up my mess. Whew. All done for right now. Put it on in another day. It's late, tired.
Be sure to like my video, give it a thumbs up, and to subscribe.